Ever wondered how to draw your favorite animal with just a few simple steps? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of drawing animals, and it's easier than you think. It all starts with seeing complex shapes as simple ones, and with a bit of practice and patience, you'll be creating your own zoo in no time. Remember, everyone can draw. It's all about taking it one step at a time. Stay with us, and soon you'll be able to draw any animal you desire. Did you know that every animal can be drawn using simple shapes? Let's imagine circles, squares, and triangles as building blocks. With these, you can create the basic structure of any animal. For instance, a bunny's body could be a large circle, with smaller circles for its head and tail. Or consider a bird, where triangles form the beak and wings. It's like a fun puzzle, fitting shapes together to bring animals to life. With these shapes in your arsenal, you're ready to start drawing. Ready to transform those shapes into your favorite animal? Imagine those circles, squares, and triangles coming alive. By adding details like ears, eyes, and a tail, you'll see a friendly creature emerge from the page. This is where observation comes in handy. Notice how your pet's ears perk up or how a squirrel's tail curls. And remember, practice is key to perfecting your drawings. So don't be shy about filling up those sketchbooks. See, you've just drawn an animal using simple shapes. What if you could draw more than just animals? Well, guess what? The same principles of combining shapes and lines you've learned for animals apply to other objects too. You can draw the bright sun, the towering trees, and so much more. The world of drawing is vast and filled with endless possibilities. So why not experiment? Practice. The more you draw, the better you become. Now go ahead, grab your pencil and start exploring the world of drawing.